Hello everybody and welcome back. It's a grammar today. It's a grammar day today, and what are we going to learn is we are going to focus on the pronouns. What are the pronouns in Arabic? And the second thing would be how to conjugate a verb. If we have a verb, how the conjugation are going to be like. So I'm re-recording this video because one of our students just asked if it's possible to put the English alphabet instead of showing only Arabic alphabet in this slide. So it's gonna make the reading a bit easier for you to understand. However, I just have re-recorded this video, and what we're going to learn today is we're going to start first of all with the pronouns, and the pronouns in Arabic called al-dama'ir. So I'm gonna just walk with you here. Pronouns means al-dama'ir. Okay, so al-dama'ir, that's the word, and means the pronouns in Arabic. So we have almost 9 pronouns in Arabic language, but we're going to ignore 2 of them, which is going to be this one and this one. Why we're going to ignore that? Well, first of all, in Arabic, if you are only studying like Arabic literature or something like that, you would be able to use them. But in our life as Arab people, for example, in the Middle East, we never use those 2 words. It's like 1% or maybe 0.5% of population in the Arab world who use those 2 words. Only people who write poems, write books, etc. But in our life, I mean, myself, I never used them in my life. Never, ever. Because I don't write books, I don't write anything official, so that's why I haven't used them before. And those 2 words are pretty formal. So anyway, what we're going to do is that, of course, I'm gonna read them for you. I'm gonna tell them what is this, tell you what are these, and then we're going to ignore them. But for the meantime, let's start reading al-dama'ir, the pronouns, step by step, starting from the beginning. So ana, which is I, anta, which is you, and anti is the same word but with a different accent. So anta is you male and anti is you female. How do you make a difference between both? Is either you can say anta with the accent on the letter t, okay? So the accent like that is anta, and if the accent is below the letter is anti. So that's the difference between anta and anti, is the accent is here, so that's mean anta, okay? If the accent is here, so that's mean anti, which is you for a female. And that's the difference here. So anta is for the male and anti is for the female. It is not auntie, no, it's anti. You can't read this in English. It's anti. It's not auntie like you say an antivirus or something. So, again, ana is I, anta is you for male, anti is you for female, huwa is him, hiya is her, nahnu is we, antum is you all, and this works for the groups of people. It doesn't matter if they are male or female, both can work. If you are saying antum, that's mean you are talking about this group. It doesn't matter if they are female, if they are group of female or group of male. But antunna with double N here, antunna, this is you all but only for female. So this is when you want to respect a group of female and you would like to say you all, so you say antunna. But as what I told you, I never used this before, and a lot of people never use this. Because if you would like to respect a group of people, you can simply say antum, and antum is working for a male and working for female. Okay? So antum is you all, hum is they all, and also work for male and female. So you can say they, hum, they play, for example. So in Arabic, they play is hum yal'abun. Hum yal'abun. They play. So it doesn't matter if there were girls or boys who are playing there, because hum can work for both, for female and male. But in Arabic we have hunna, and which is they for female only. So it's almost like this one, but this one is for antunna, which is you all for a female, and hunna is they all for a female. But if you are using these two words, antum and humma, both are going to work for male and female situation. So I'm gonna reread this one more time and focus on the English alphabet. So I, أنا, you, male, أنت, you, female, أنتِ, هو, him, هي, she, نحن, we, أنتم is they for a male and female, أنتن is they, again, أنتم is you all for male and female, and أنتن is you for female only. Hum is they work for both female and male. Hum. Hunna is they, but works only for female. So, in the next slide, we're going to learn how we can conjugate verb, a specific verb, as an example, but we're going to remove antunna and we're going to remove hunna. So basically, we're going to work only on the rest of the pronouns here. So, that was all about this slides, and now is the time to move to the following slide.